Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Bisaya Word of the Week. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to introduce your family members in Bisaya. In the Philippines, we have a very close family ties. Some families, even if they are already married, they are still living with their parents. That's how close we are. It is a culture here in the Philippines, although not all, but in general, there are still a lot of newlywed, or even if not really newlywed, even if they are already married for a very long time, they are still staying with their parents. So the culture here in the Philippines, the parents would love their children to stay with them as long as they want. Okay, so like me, if I want to stay with my parents, they will never reject me. They will accept me with wide open arms. So that's how close we are. If you are from the Western countries, you might find this weird. Okay, so that's how we are here in the Philippines. So here's a tip. If you are pursuing a Filipina or Filipino guy, the first thing you should do is to get the approval of the family first. So court the family first, so that it will give you a boost in your effort in winning the girl's heart or the boy's heart or the man's heart. Although it's not a guarantee as a T. Again, today's episode is about introducing your family member. There will be lots of new words for you guys, so stick with me until the end. Let's start. For the immediate family, father, papa, tatay, or daddy. Mother, mama, nanay, or mommy. Big sister, manang or ate. Little sister, inday or day. Big brother, manong, nong, or manoy, or kuya. Little brother, dudong or do. Sibling, igsuon. Youngest, kinamanghuran. Younger sibling, manghud. Younger sibling girl, manghud nga babae. Younger sibling boy, manghud nga lalaki. Eldest, kinamagwangan. Older sister, maguwang nga babae. Older brother, maguwang nga lalaki. Eldest sister, kinamagwangan nga babae. Eldest brother, kinamagwangan nga lalaki. Son, anak nga lalaki. Daughter, anak nga babae. Husband, bana. Wife, asawa. Child, anak. Family, pamilya. Parents, ginikanan. Now let's move forward to the extended family. Cousin, igagaw. Relative, parente. In-laws, ugangan. Nephew, pangumangkon nga lalaki. Niece, pangumangkon nga babae. Grandparents, apuhan. Grandchild, apo. Grandpa, lolo. Grandma, lola. Auntie, aunt, it's tia or iyaan. Uncle, uyuan, or tio or tito. I'm going to give you some sample sentences on how to introduce your family member. Mauni ang akong mama ug papa. This is my mom and dad. Mauni ang akong ginikanan. These are my parents. Mauni ang akong igsuon nga babae. This is my sister. Mauni ang akong igsuon nga babae. Mauni ang akong igsuon nga lalaki. This is my brother. Mauni ang akong igsuon nga lalaki. This is my brother. Those are our lesson for today. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. If you are very new in this channel, if you want to watch more of my tutorials, please consider subscribing. And again, I am not just sharing the Cebuano dialect tutorial here. I am sharing a lot of things here in this channel. Please come back every Wednesday for our Bisaya tutorial. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Bye-bye.